Hello guys, good evening to all, and this is Mike Padua, live here from Naga City, Philippines, and we are here to give you the very latest of the weather analysis here in the Philippines and the Western Pacific for this Tuesday to Thursday, September 10 to 12, 2024, English version, brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands Sustainable with You. If you're interested, just click on the link up here. Or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with You. And also one of the best hotels in the Bicol region and Naga City, Avenue Plaza Hotel. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. And let's begin with our update. We have a new tropical system, tropical cyclone, and it's now a tropical storm with international name Bebinca, and it's now moving across Guam, okay? Passing very close to Habagat, Guam. And here's the fast animation from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page. As you can see, the storm is now very close to Guam and is rapidly organizing. And you can see a large trough all the way into the Philippine Sea, bringing some thunderstorms along this area of this trough. And the southwest monsoon remains weak over the West Philippine Sea, just affecting the areas like Palawan, the Spratly Islands, including the Kalayaan Island Group, and the Sulu Archipelago. And within the next couple of days through the weekend, the southwest monsoon will again affect Visayas, the western Mindanao, the western sections of southern Luzon, and it also includes Metro Manila. So we expect thunderstorms to return this weekend, especially on Saturday or Sunday, as the system is expected to track towards the northwest and towards the northwest in the general direction of the southern islands of Japan, so Okinawa, and the rest of the Ryukyus will be under threat of this tropical storm. And we have here another system. This is LPA 94W. As you can see, it has a cloudless center, meaning that the upper level clouds are displaced here. Okay, it's over here. So that's the reason why it is not aligned. It has been pushed by the strong southwesterly wind shear. So that's the reason why it has not organized during the past 48 hours. So it is expected to dissipate upon moving into the landmass of southeastern China, particularly Fujian province. So that's the fast animation. Now here's the latest GuavSat. As you can see, here's Bebinca moving very close to Guam, and here's the 94W that we are mentioning. This is no longer a threat to our country, and it's not really a threat. As well as this one, it's really moving towards the northwest, far away from the Philippine Islands. And if we take a look at the zoom in satellite animation, here we go. This is the latest loop, the infrared loop from cyclonicwx.com or cyclonicweather.com. And you can clearly see here the development of a central dense overcast passing across the southern tip of Guam. Okay, so this area of the Marianas, particularly Guam, will experience heavy rainfall, okay, with winds of up to 60 or 80 kph gust, okay, and that kind of weather will persist for the next 8 hours or so Here's the latest zoom-in satellite animation for the Philippine Islands as the evening progresses around 10 to midnight. You can clearly see here some popping up thunderstorms across portions of northern Luzon. And we have here Catanduanes moving into Camarines Sur, so don't be surprised if we will be having some rain showers and thunderstorms to the early morning of Wednesday, September 11. And that will only last for a few hours. And so far, it will be fine or fair in various sections of the country, calm conditions, and until the arrival of the southwest monsoon here over the Visayas and Palawan. And good weather will still persist in the morning. In the afternoon, evening, we expect these thunderstorms to occur. Now here's the track from all the Asian agencies monitoring the movement of Bebinca. And for the next, this is for 24 hours, 48, 72 hours, 96 hours, and 120 hours. So this is day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5. So this is on Friday. Okay, it will likely enter the Philippine area of responsibility briefly. Just take note, the Philippine area of responsibility is here. This is the line, the boundary of the PAR. So it will just sneak in for about maybe 6 to 12 hours, then it will move out quickly. So it might be named Ferdy, since 94W wasn't upgraded by Pag-asa and it went out of the Philippine area of responsibility. So likely this one that supposed to be Hener will now be known as Ferdy if it enters PAR within the next 3 days. Okay, but again, no worries. This system is not a threat to our country. So Okinawa will again suffer some strong winds and heavy rains within the next 4 to 5 days. Now let's take a look at the rainfall forecast for the next 3 days until Saturday. So today, Wednesday, since it's already past midnight, today, Wednesday, we expect good weather across the country with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. But as we move into Thursday, let me move this. Move into Thursday. There you go. Lots of thunderstorms, and this is due to the enhancement already of the southwest monsoon, which will bring more thunderstorms across Visayas, Western Mindanao, Mimaropa, and portions of the Bicol region, as well as on Friday, September 13, becoming more intense over the western sections of Panay and the western sections of Negros. Also here over western Mindanao and the western sections of Bicol region, especially Masbate, Ticao, Burias, and western Albay. West of Bicol region will just be having some cloudy skies with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, as well as here over central and southern Luzon. Now on Saturday, September 14, continued heavy rainfall will be expected over western Panay, moving up into areas like Pamalican and Amanpulu, and also over the areas of Occidental Mindoro and some portions of Oriental Mindoro. Okay, Negros Island region will also be experiencing some thunderstorms, as well as northern Palawan, Calamian Group, and also Metro Manila, and parts of Calabarzon will be affected by these thunderstorms produced by the southwest monsoon. Okay, so that will be on Saturday, and on Sunday, continued effect of the southwest monsoon will be expected over southern Bicol, Occidental Mindoro, Calamian Group, northern Palawan, and western Panay. So the culprit of this is it's no longer Bebinca, but another LPA forming within this monsoon trough. So this is a monsoon trough right here. Okay, so that's the rainfall accumulation forecast every day until Sunday, September 15. Now for the wind and pressure forecast, nothing changes. All computer models, including the American model and the European model that we are showing to you right now, it shows that the track of the system will be generally towards Okinawa. So there you go. Friday on Saturday it will be over Okinawa, and Sunday it will be approaching eastern China. And on Monday we have another system that will form here, some 1,000 kilometers east of Isabela or east of Cagayan, and this might become the next tropical storm. And on Tuesday, September 17, which is highly uncertain, very low probability the system will again move, follow the path of Bebinca towards the southern islands of Japan, particularly Okinawa. Tuesday, it will be moving north-northwest, and on Wednesday, September 18, it will move out of the Philippine air responsibility as a severe tropical storm, and the southwest monsoon will again prevail over Mimaropa and portions of the Bicol region and western Visayas. Moving into Thursday, September 19, which is still highly uncertain. The storm is now approaching eastern China for the second time around after Bebinca, and the southwest monsoon affecting Metro Manila, western sections of southern Luzon, and the West Philippine Sea, including the Calayan Island group. So that's the scenario for next week. But again, this forecast of more than 5 days remains highly uncertain, and it's below 25% probability. Okay, so far good news for us, especially here in Bicol region and the whole of the Philippine Islands, as these back-to-back cyclones will be heading towards the southern islands of Japan, and all the only weather system that will affect us is these localized thunderstorms enhanced by the southwest monsoon. Okay, and here's the wave forecast for the next 3 days. We extend this until Sunday. So today it's less than 1 meter, 1 to less than 1 meter. Inland waters of the Philippine Islands is below 0.5 meters, while here over the West Philippine Sea is up to 1.2 meters, so suitable for fishing and sea travel. If we move this into Thursday, Friday, there will be an increasing wave heights here over the eastern Philippine waters, east of Mindanao, up to 3 meters because of the enhancement of the southwest monsoon enhanced by Bebinca, and also here over the Sulu archipelago, moderate to rough seas up to more than 2 meters. So this will be dangerous to small sea vessels, small fishing vessels on Friday the 13th. Okay, and on Saturday and Sunday we have here wave heights reaching a high of 3 meters because of the southwest monsoon. That will be across the Calayan Island group and the West Philippine Sea, and as well as the coastal waters of Mindoro, Occidental Mindoro to be exact, and the coastal waters of Palawan. Okay, also here some portions of Sulu Archipelago will have wave heights of up to 2.5 meters. In the East Philippine Sea, also up to 2 meters because of the southwest monsoon enhanced by Bebinca and another LPA forming here. It's somewhere here. Okay, that will be on Sunday, September 16. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this Thursday late evening. It's almost 12 midnight of September 11, and we will return this coming weekend. This is Mike Padua saying stay safe always. Be #weatherwiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.